Okay, we've got in at the moment Ferrari 328, and they're great cars. We love them very much. We look after a lot of 328s. But mechanically, they all kind of suffer from the same thing, really. One is cam seals leaking, and the inlet manifold, the paint coming away. And then also, they do suffer a lot with the foam on the engine bay coming away and making it look quite scruffy on the front and then on the back. And then this gives you like a powder residue when you're driving, and it just sits everywhere in the car. So this is something that we've developed with a foam developer in the UK through a lot of testing of foams that we can use. So we've got a kit that you can buy and fit yourself, or we fit it here. And it links in really nicely with cam belts, cam seals, sorting out that inlet manifold. And then we take the tanks out, paint the fuel tanks, replace the foam and put it all back in. And this gives the look of the 328 of how it should look, or the new look when it's all back together. So when you open up the engine compartment, you're not disappointed with what you're greeted by, with the foam falling apart, the inlet manifold paint coming away, and hopefully curing those oil leaks.